Good day. My topic for today is all about polar coordinates. So, before that, we will define the Cartesian coordinate plane using the two number lines, one horizontal and one vertical, which intersect at right angles at a point we call the origin. So, for example, to plot a point, say point -3 and 4, we start at the origin, travel horizontally to the left 3 units, then up 4 units. Alternatively, we could start at the origin, travel up 4 units, then to the left 3 units, and arrive at the same location. For the most part, the motions of the Cartesian system, over and up, describe a rectangle, and most points can be thought of as the corner diagonally across the rectangle from the origin. So in this section, we will introduce a new system for assigning coordinates to points in the plane, the polar coordinates. So we start with the region called the pool, this one. And a ray called a polar axis, this one. When we then locate the point P using two coordinates, r and theta, where r represents a directed distance from the pole and theta is a measure of rotation from the polar axis. Roughly speaking, the polar coordinates r and theta of a point measure how far out the point is from the pole, that's r, and how far to rotate from the polar axis, that's theta. So let's say, for example, if we wish to plot the point with polar coordinates for 4, 5 pi over 6, we'd start at the pole. So this pole, move out along the polar axis 4 units, then in this then rotate 5 pi over 6 radians counterclockwise. We may also visualize this process by thinking of the rotation first. To plot point 455 over 6 this way, we rotate 5 pi over 6 counterclockwise from the polar axis, then move outwards from the pole 4 units. So in this picture shown, essentially, we are locating a point on the terminal side of 5 pi over 6, which is 4 units from the pole. So another one. Plot r 3.5 and -3 pi over 4. We have this in this picture. From angles, first approach, we rotate this one from the pole, move 3.5 units. So then we rotate -3 pi over 4, -3 pi over 4 Then move out 3.5 units from the pole. As you can see in this picture, we say that R is the point on the terminal side of theta is equals to negative 3 pi over 4, which is 3.5 units from the pole.